Hello and welcome to Quick Fit Cardio Day. We will have a total of 5 exercises with 5 minutes on the timer. The work time will be of 45 seconds and 15 seconds of rest in between. I promise to take your heart rate up with this no jumping, no equipment cardio workout. So let's get started. Now switch.
Wow, that was a fun one, and you nailed it. Tomorrow is the lower body day, and you are just going to need one dumbbell. It can be a moderate to heavy one from anywhere from 10 to 15 kgs preferably. With that, I'll take your leave now, and I'll see you tomorrow.